Alright, now you may be wondering why I'm in a military jet. Well, that's because I honestly, not a lick. But it doesn't matter. Because today's first stunt is nuclear plane crash. Yeah, bitches! Ah! Oh, shit! Oh, god damn it! Oh!
What is wrong with you? Natsuki, are you okay? Natsuki? Natsuki!
Where are you guys?
Natsuki! Hold on.
I think
Natsuki.
my eyes
Hold,
are stuck closed or something.
Natsuki, your
don't
eyes
freak
are
out.
on.
Yeah.
Here,
Wait,
I'm
what?
holding your face. Hold on. I'm gonna hold your face. Hey, calm down. That's me! It's me! Natsuki, it's me!
I can't see shit.
I told you, your eyes are gone. It's me, Yuri. They're gone. They got it blown off.
Balloon.
They got blown off.
On the bright side, it looked fucking sick. Although you wouldn't be able to know that.
Where you were, so I'm just gonna. I'm guessing this is you.
Although you wouldn't know that it looked sick.
No, here. Natsuki, go after him. He's the one who did it. Go
Where
here,
is he? I can't see.
Okay, here. I'm gonna guide you. Okay, we're gonna. Okay, no. Natsuki.
Ah! Oh shit!
Next to you. Oh god.
I may or may not have accidentally created another nuclear explosion.
You dumbass. Natsuki.
I think that one killed her.
It what?
Nothing! Shikazing! Hello there.
My records show that Natsuki was deleted without even me having to do anything.
Killed her with a nuclear explosion.
Hold on. I thought it was gonna make you go blind, to be completely honest.
I'm an AI. I can't go blind.
Then Natsuki, you shouldn't have been able to go blind.
No, but Natsuki, it's in her script or in her code that she's able to die like a normal human could.
Oh, so that means...
Yes.
Oh, I love the pain. Thank you. Try the favorite. Monica just runs away.
Ah!
Monica, don't leave.
I'm off to go find MC.
Ha ha ha! Ah!
I was like, I'll love again, naturally. Anyway, Monica, do I look like a raccoon?
To Didn't we already discuss this? Oh.
I wanted to discuss it again. So, can you not? I'm trying to have a civilized conversation here, and that is very rude.
That is very rude.
You can't kill me, I told you.
Shh.
You just made it longer. Just kidding. Just kidding.
Give me a burp.
Made what longer? Excuse me?
Nothing. Nothing.
Bad feeling.
Excuse me? Hold up! Hold up! Hold up!
Follow.
You can't question me. You can't question. Can't question me.
Wait, what did you... Could you run that back? Hold up! I need to know now! What did I make? What? Ah!
Oh, no.
Damn it! He's floating! He was floating above the plane! Oh my god!
It was flying. Oh my god.
There goes the plane. I'm more worried about the plane. I was hoping the explosion would be a lot bigger. You know, like the one I created. You know.
Which caused Natsuki.
Lay forget spell.
No, doesn't work on me, jackass.
Damn it. Arson. It's fun. I'ma smash this plane into another plane. I exploded 3 planes at once.
Good for you.
I think it's only that one plane that does that explosion when it crashes.
My vision is down.
Shing!
Oh, what the hell?
Hey, don't stab the alligator! Stop it! You meanie! Don't stab the bear either. The bear is a very friendly bear, and if you... I told you not to stab bear. And the alligator. I told you not to stab any of them.
Shing!
Leave the bear alone!
Shing!
Stop it! Stop it.
Well, you caused me to run away again.
Alright, so, the core looks a little bit angry as he... Oh. Yeah, you can visibly see it now. Alright, yeah. So yeah, the core is a little bit angry, but I think if we just run some diagnostics, maybe do our normal tests, should be fine. Nothing too unfixable. Just press that button to start the diagnostics.
Big red button.
Alright.
This should fix it, right?
Hopefully. Ow. Okay, that's not good.
Is that supposed to happen?
No. Wait, did you flip the green lever or the red lever?
Red?
Shit!
I'm gonna watch it explode.
You didn't. You weren't specific on which one to pull.
Oh, this is gonna be fucking...
I thought it was obvious that the green one would be the one that you'd flip.
Yeah, but
Because
like,
green is good, red bad. Shit. Let's hope the damage isn't too bad. Oh, shit. That's not good.
doesn't look
I'm
good.
gonna say right here, right now, it gonna explode. It gonna explode. Based
Yuri,
on
don't
that,
jinx
it's
me.
gonna explode.
Okay, look, I don't think it's gonna necessarily explode. Or at least not right now.
What?
That would be the diagnostic systems failing.
Here we go.
You're supposed to flip the green lever, then the red lever. I thought they told you this in training. Oh, shit! Okay.
I don't know my reds and my greens.
Okay.
It's okay.
Um,
Oh god, okay.
shit.
What's supposed to happen?
No! That is not supposed to happen. Even if you flip the red lever, it's not supposed to do that.
Okay.
Shit, what is it even doing? I've never seen that before.
Oh, it's collecting a whole bunch of energy. Don't need-
Alright, brace! 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 Ugh.
So beautiful. It's all white.
Okay. That would be the backup security protocol. Okay. Alright, we should be transported back after the explosion has already happened.
Explosion? It's still.
It's still going. Watch out, guys. Brace for another impact. I can already hear it by the noise.
Alright.
Close to that.
Okay, I'd get away from the balcony! Ugh.
Oh. Is that the explosion you were talking about?
Yep, that's the explosion.
Oh.
Boom, boom. That was fun.
Well, shit, that's coming out of my paycheck. Alright, that's at least $1 billion in replacement.
That was freaking cool.
Not cool when you're the one who has to pay for it. Okay, for future reference, when they fix this thing, remember, green, then red.
Okay.
So then that doesn't happen. I'd rather not have to travel through dimensions again. That was not fun. Luckily, this is a contained environment. Nobody got hurt. Everything worked according to plan.
My hair is on fire.
Yeah, that'll happen. I'm surprised any of us even have eyebrows after this. You see, normally what it's supposed to do is that's supposed to be an arc reactor. Is what it's supposed to be. And it's supposed to just look like a giant glowing ball, kind of like the sun. The lightning was the problem. The green lever was going to be to figure out what was causing that. And then the red lever's to execute it. What happened was, you flicked the red lever, it didn't know what to execute, so it executed everything. To be fair, there should probably be more controls on it anyways. It probably eventually would have done that, even if people did it right. Well, shit, that's gone home early today, boys. Our work here's done. I guess one way to fix the problem is by destroying the whole fucking thing. Hi, I'm Deadpool. Welcome to Jackass. Oh shit! Yeah, bitches! Oh shit! Yeah, at least that plane went out with a bang. We're gonna do nuclear explosion. You guys ready for this? Oh shit! Ah! My name's Deadpool! Welcome to Jackass!
Blew my eyeball out.
Clear plane crash! Yeah! Fuck! I'm shit at purposely crashing it! Just if they ask you any questions, act like you know nothing.
Okay.